In a land far, far away, nestled between rolling hills and ancient forests, there existed a magical meadow where extraordinary adventures were waiting to unfold. Meet Luna, the kind-hearted unicorn with a shimmering silver mane. Luna possessed a special gift, the ability to bring dreams to life. One day, Luna noticed a playful squirrel named Sparkle, who was intrigued by Luna's magical abilities. The two decided to embark on an adventure together. As Luna and Sparkle explored the meadow, they entered dreamscapes filled with floating islands, talking flowers, and shimmering waterfalls, bringing joy and wonder to all they encountered. Deep within the meadow, Luna and Sparkle discovered a group of enchanted birds whose melodious songs had the power to heal and uplift spirits. But their journey wasn't without challenges. A magical storm threatened to disrupt the harmony of the meadow, and Luna had to use her powers to calm the tempest. With Luna's magic and Sparkle's bravery, they restored harmony to the meadow, and a rainbow painted the sky as a symbol of the renewed magic. And so, Luna and Sparkle's adventures in the magical meadow became legendary, a tale of friendship, courage, and the transformative power of dreams.